two screens did it for me. As a guy who's always enjoyed software, I came from a long line of software, from the Dr. Rhythm 550s to Ensoniq workstations, ASR 10s, ASR X's, EPS Plus, MPC. Converted over to Maschine maybe like 2 years ago. I loved it, but when I figured out everything that it can do after going into class with Stoney and she teaching us about it, honestly, it's probably the best piece of equipment out right now. I don't see myself using anything for a really long time.
Yo, it's your man's Grammy Award winning producer S1, aka Symbolyc One. Just want to give y'all a little brief explanation on this new futuristic thing coming out called Maschine Studio. It's incredible. A lot of new features, y'all. You got a built-in mixer now. You have two LED screens, color screens. You got unlimited groups now.
Like unlimited groups. We gonna try. This is just
unlimited groups, man. You can scroll through.
Right.
It's on the
So now we have unlimited groups.
So how do you get to the
unlimited groups? You hold shift and then boom. You know what I'm saying? You hold shift.
So what happens when you get to the end and all of them are...
It just goes endless. And you just keep shifting. And it'll start back.
Right here. Was in studio last night with my man's Focus, Henny and Dow, the business, having a vibe session, and I think the one main thing that I truly love about the new Maschine is the stock sounds. Like every sound that we were going through was just incredible, like insane, everything. And you know, us being producers, sounds is everything. Sound creates the inspiration, sound creates the vibes. It's one of those things where you have to get it.
Yo, this shit go. This shit crazy.
I see.